Yes, sir.
So, I welcome all the participants of this webinar wherein APMH has decided to uh, give some information about MSME and MSME Samadhan scheme. MSME concept has been relatively new, though it has been on the statute book for quite a few years. The same has not been appreciated, or the benefit of the same has not been taken by MSMEs, as they have not got themselves registered under MSME. There are quite a few benefits which are available, and public at large or the society at large doesn't have any information about the same. So to disseminate the information about various benefits and the solutions that the MSMEs have in respect of the collection of payment from their debtors. Uh, all the information relating thereto will be given by Amita. Before I hand over charge to Amita, I would introduce Amita. Amita is a qualified company secretary and has been in practice for quite a few years now. She has been doing excellent job in as a company secretary, and apart from that, she is also handling MSME work, registration, and other Samadhan scheme. Uh, she will take us through all the provisions of MSME, who all can get themselves registered, who all can take benefit, and how these benefits, all the benefits can be taken by these MSMEs. She will guide us through all the provisions of the act and the practicalities of the benefits which are available. For next half an hour, probably the uh, charge would be with Amita. Amita, please take over.
Thank you, Amit sir, for such a good introduction and a start to the webinar. Basically, I also thank all the participants to take out time from such a busy schedule and have a look on basic what are the benefits and what are the go aheads like MSME can give you all. In this throughout this webinar, I would take you through all the concepts like what all you should basically know while getting registered under MSME. The benefits must be taken into consideration, and I'll also help you out like what are the recoveries. Like now you're getting into MSME, what are the benefits firstly, and secondly, if you get MSME registered, how could you get the amount recovered from the people whom you have supplied your goods
મેં
and
પણ વિડીયો ઓફ કરી નાખ્યો છે એટલે મને
services? So I would throughout this journey of covering all the concepts of webinar, I would request you all we can take this question answer session at the end of the entire session. And in case you have any queries, so you have your chat box wherein you can place your queries and it would be answered by me or Amit sir respectively.